Welcome to Employee Termination Tips. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal. And in this particular video, we're going to discuss the importance of not relying purely on the internet when it comes to determining whether or not your termination severance package is sufficient. Now, the reason you should not be relying solely on the internet is because the internet provides incomplete and often non-applicable information for your particular termination and severance package. And the reason I say this is because the internet just pulls in so much information and it pulls it for so many different sources. One of the greatest problems that you'll find with respect to employee termination materials is the fact that different provinces and states have different laws, and there's different applications of employment law between different provinces and states. So you could be reading something that might apply to one set of employees and doesn't apply to another set of employees. Also, there's the fact that there are exceptions, exclusions, and other concepts that might not be applicable to your particular circumstance that you rely upon or you look towards. And I see this all too often when I do searches myself, just to get a sense of what's out there and why people are reacting in such a way when they've been terminated and they've lost their job and they're trying to figure out what to do, and why some people are not really doing anything because they go to the internet and they get inaccurate information, they get non-applicable information, or they fail to understand it. That's the other thing with the internet. It provides you with limited pieces of information, taken out of context oftentimes. Your situation is very unique to yourself, at least with respect to one business compared to another business. So you might be reading something and you don't understand the full scope of the information. So if that's the case, you could be doing yourself a great disservice by simply saying, reading a couple articles, even reading some law on it, and not knowing how to properly interpret it. So that's a critical tip that we have for yourself, is not to simply rely upon the internet. You really need to get some professional advice and really need to get it in context of your particular situation. Thank you.